five principles: ROE, cash flow, debt equity ratio, sales growth, and profit growth. These are the five fundamental principles which actually decides. You know how many stocks are there which have all five?
189, 200.
No, there are only no, that is growth only.
Okay.
There are only 70 stocks which have all five.
Okay.
Okay. So if certain stocks have 4, that also is good.
Okay.
If certain stocks have 3, that also is good. So we will show you certain strategies that how you can use these 5 principles to make different strategies and different portfolios. Okay, so we'll go in details of that today.
Absolutely.
Okay.
Okay, absolutely.
So let's quickly Vikash, can you just show the 5 principles, the PPT, please? Yeah. Okay. Now first, so basically what we covered is L and U, right? In the 2 days we have covered L and U. Vikash, just mark them so that we can see. We have covered L and U in the last 2 days. So Yogesh bhai, you joined today, so you can see the videos we covered in detail the power of L and U.
Okay.
And these are the 2 most important, according to my research and my back testing, about 20 gurus and doing artificial intelligence testing of all the companies in the country in last 10 years. I found that these 5 things actually are the fundamental parameters of a company.
Okay. And
so
in this ROE and ROC, you give more importance to ROC or ROE?
Depends on company to company.
Okay.
Banks, we cannot see ROC, we have to see ROE in banks and financial institutions. Capital intensive companies, we have to see ROC.
Okay, fine.
Okay. Then the free cash flow, debt equity ratio is very low. Then we see the sales growth and the net profit growth or the EPS growth. Okay, so the 5 things we have covered in the last 2 days. And if you see, it tells you what and why to buy. Again, there is one very important clarification. So great people just see these 5 things and they know that they are into a very, very good, fundamental, efficient and an innovative company. Again, I am repeating for everyone, which I have repeated in the last 2 days. To maintain an ROE is very, very tough, greater than 15 or 20. Maintaining a free cash flow requires a lot of proper management of debtors, of the cash flow systems of the company. To have a company which does not take debt, that's a very, very good sign that the management is not a debt-oriented management. Sales growth, I have said yesterday that there are only 93 companies which grows above 10%. Sales and EPS, and only 187 companies which goes above sales and EPS above 1%. So you know that to grow the sales and to grow the EPS, it is very, very tough. So when you see these 5 things, you are coming to a great company which is great, which is very, very healthy, very, very strong. And from after you combine all the 5 parameters, you get only about 70 stocks, which we term as strong buy in our app. Okay, so these are, so even if there are 4 parameters or 3 parameters in those out of 5, that also constitutes good share, which we will show you in different strategies. Okay, after you have decided a good stock, now the question is when to buy. Okay, so this is where we will cover V today. Very, very interesting thing. We are going to cover V. After you have decided the health of the company, a good fundamental stock, then what is the strategy to enter that stock where I will make good money? Okay, so one of the strategies, obviously everybody looks at to buy undervalued stocks. Now, undervalued stocks only of companies which have L or U. If there is no L and U, no point buying that stock, because that fundamental, they are not, the L and U constitutes the health of the company. So if the health of the company is not good, the management is not efficient, they don't have a growth mindset, then what is the point of investing in that company? So after seeing LNU, then you learn that, okay, now I will buy these shares whenever I get an opportunity. Okay, that is what we are going to teach you, Divya, in the next 3 hours. You will learn this only in the next 3 hours, how to do it. Okay, so once you do LNU, then you decide what are the different ways to value a company. It's going to be very, very interesting for everyone. And there are different ways of valuing company. Okay.
You have been very honest in your teaching, sir.
Thank you.
I have been learning in different places, sir. I have gone one fundamental course earlier. They took a huge price for that, but in peanuts, I should say, fees, you have taught a lot, and that too in 2-3 days only you have taught everything, sir. And I should appreciate your intention, sir. हमारे पास उर्दू में उसको नियत बोलते हैं, sir. And your intentions to give to the society, I appreciate a lot. And you are a great person. And one more thing, what I like the most is that you want to save the individual fishes or individual people who are making huge loss. Now anyone can save up to a 70-80% loss, sir, if you can see your app and your 5 true strategies. So great thanks to you, and Allah bless you a lot, sir.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
My prayers from my side, from my heart to you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you.
And for your well-being of your family.
Thank you. Thank you.